Alright guys, when approaching the ski on the beach, you want to be nice and smooth. And what I'm doing, I'm going to do a series of in and out of gear, so it's just going to come into that creep speed. So I'm in neutral at the moment. Tap the forward, it's going into forward again. I've tapped reverse, it goes into what we call neutral. Still got a bit of forward momentum, so I can keep using that. Into forward again. I've just tapped into neutral now, and it's starting to get shallow. I can see it getting shallow. One little push forward, neutral, spin the ski, engine off, and there we go. Step off. So we start the ski in that deep water. One of the things to remember when operating a ski, it's actually, this water is not deep enough to start the ski, right? Knee deep is not deep enough. Should be at least 600 mil or at least waist deep, yeah? The jet pump will suck the sand off the bottom and destroy the impeller. If for some reason your ski's been beached, I don't want you to stress. One thing I do want you to do is clean out the pump, try and get the pump, all that sand out. So give it a bit of a shake, push it backwards and forwards, and just let that sand come out of the pump. What I'm going to show you next is how to use your sand anchor. For this demo, we prepared the anchor before. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to secure it to the front of the ski, same place you'd normally secure your winch. And then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the ski, push it out where it belongs in deep water. Now I don't want the sand anchor, I don't want it here. You anchor it up there, it's only going to get stuck and pull the boat or the ski back onto the beach. So what I'm going to do is go at nice deep water and throw it out there. Now the ski is going to stay in that deep water while we're out. So if the tide's on its way out, more likely the ski is going to be pulled away from the shore. No stress, just walk out to where your anchor is and pull the rope back to where you want to get on it. Another key point, we've got 2 skis here today. There might be more skis than just 2. Make sure you've got enough room between the anchors so when the wind blows the direction around, it's not going to smash into the next one. So give yourself plenty of room. This little float is designed so you can keep the rope where you need it. One of the most key points is make sure you don't run over the rope. Right, so keep your eye on the float, pull your ski out of the way of the anchor, and then do your launch procedure. This is a good place to leave your anchor. When you want to go for a spin, come back. If this is your home base for the day, that anchor stays there until you want to actually go home for the day. So you come back in, hook up your ski, have your lunch, bite to eat, whatever you want to do, and that stays there for the day until you want to go home. When you first get to the beach and you want to get your sand anchor ready, you've got to secure your ski. Start as you normally, or finish as you normally would, engine off, nice deep water, then grab the front of the ski, gently drag it towards the beach, slightly lift it until it just touches the sand, and then release it down. We want to make sure we start the ski out there in a bit deeper water. So one of my approaches is, kill switch lanyard is in, ready to go. I'll use the back step down here to help me scoot, and as you can see, it's going to get deeper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoot off the back, forward momentum, step up onto here, start my ski, nice deep water. Make sure your kill switch lanyard's on, and away we go.